Hello, my people. This is your boy, Jude Moore, your number one update guy for View Africa 24. Finally, Nnamdi Kanu case don't get accelerated hearing, meaning say God don't order the fast track of the judgment. Because like you people know, for about 10 years now, now come today, come tomorrow, come today, come tomorrow. Now they do for this man case, So, but right now, as Nnamdi Kanu, they push for the change of the judge when they handling case, which was that Binta Nyako, that woman, finally, courts accept them. They don't change the judge when they had looking to Nnamdi Kanu case. And these judges, they don't grant and approve accelerated hearing, which means they go speedily judge the case. This is a very vital case where everybody don't look right from 2015. Meanwhile, the lawyers, when he say they represent government, then they that place. Nnamdi Kanu lawyers too, they there. Now, one of those important cases when he say Nigerians don't they look up to since for a long time. But anyway, they get one person when he come, people when they call say they go testify, witness against Nnamdi Kanu. They get witness against Nnamdi Kanu, which is presented by the federal government, which is the federal government witness. This person come, he talk say, he go testify against Nnamdi Kanu, unto say he go give him witness against Nnamdi Kanu, but he no go like make him face show because of security reasons. Now they give this guy code name PWAA. But anyway, this PWAA talk as he come give in testimony or testify against Nnamdi Kanu. He talk say he be the man when he be say a DSS officer. He lead the squad where they go arrest Nnamdi Kanu for hotel. First, when they reach that hotel, they go the registry, ask and say, so person they here. Now those people say no, nobody like that. They check their record, they no see Nnamdi Kanu case. Now they can't get order from Abuja, say raid the room one after the other. Now they raid the room, can't see Nnamdi Kanu there. As I say, but when they look the environment, the place, the things when he did there now, all these small things where we take the create content like phone, this voice transmitter, all this sound box and all this microphone, all those small things, now they meet there. They no see bullets there, they no see gun there, they no see bomb there, they no see Fulani knife for there, they no see dagger for there. Now this person now they come carry them. It's okay. All these things where you take the stream. So do you understand? Say a crime it be to to stream without license. He said, well, in radio na London, the radio base, not be Nigeria base. It's unfortunate they say the thing they enter Nigerian signal, but he no stream for Nigeria because he no say if he stream for Nigeria, he no go get them. The country is okay. What thing you can they do? He say, what thing they do? Now freedom for Biafra, now they agitate for. Freedom for people, now they agitate for. The radio winning the stream, now when intake and take the educating people waiting Britain, they do us for Nigeria. Everybody they see them. I no one dive deep into waiting these people, Britain, France, and other they do other African countries. When we say some of them they revolt up to today with the see what they do for their countries. After when they don't chase them out. But that is a story for another day. But anyway, in content them say the purpose of Radio Biafra now to tell the people, to educate the people waiting Britain, they do us for here, Britain in collaboration with your governments. Say now then they chop your destiny, now they set you backward. If you basically you no great work, make we quietly separate. No be fight, no be war. You dare your own, I dare my own, which is normal. According to the law enshrined under United Nations Charter, freedom of speech now for everybody, and then the request or the agitation for a self, as in for you to deal on your own, is enshrined under the law of United Nations. You get what I mean? So now they talk. So as they look at the now today, now they bring this up. But they adjourn the case now. I be like saying until tomorrow. Make we see how far this matter they go.
The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, is back at the Federal High Court Abuja for his trial. Mr. Kanu, who is all smiles, is received by his defense team. The trial judge had approved an accelerated hearing of the case, and he kept to his words, just as the counsel to the federal government, Adegboyega Awomolo, called its first witness, a DSS officer, who testified behind the screen. The first witness of the federal government, with code name PWAA, says he led the team that arrested Kanu at a hotel in Lagos on the 14th of October 2015 and the room where he was arrested looked like a broadcasting studio. In Mr. Kanu's statement, he further admits to fighting for emancipation of the people of Southeast, South-South, parts of Benue and Kogi. He declared that freedom fighting is not a crime in any part of the world, including Nigeria, because it is a fundamental right. The defendant further adds that he believes in the freedom of speech and that the UN Charter on People's Rights guarantees the right to self-determination. He denies involvement in any violence because he has not been linked to anyone.
The matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents.
The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established.
Since after 10 years, 10 good years, 10 good years, so they deliberately put this guy for prison. Already, this guy don't serve 10 years imprisonment. Already, indirectly, right? So now the case now don't get fast track. Very soon, they will soon give judgment on this case. Make we see how it be, and secondly, make Nigerians know within the fate of your future go be. Yes, because since when these guys started to agitate, all the things when he don't talk, say he did wrong with the country. All of them don't happen. Many people don't die. Government's never good. Nigeria never good. If we see truth, make we dey talk am. Nigeria, they go back. The time when they even arrest this guy, 2015, Nigeria was even far better. Way Nigeria be like abroad that time, reach now. Now compare as it be now, right? So he don't use these 10 years when he did prison. He take proof to them. Say, what thing I tell now? He tell now say the people they come from Sahel. We be say they go enter on our farmland, they go destroy slaughter now. If I tell you, see many people we talk say we even cause at that time. Many of them don't die for this hotel. Many of them don't be victim of this hotel when they talk. But anyway, make we pray, make we be say we get a justice hearing for this one. And secondly, make something happen when it be say go change the lives of the people. Because as I see I'm not sure say my own pocket they fight for. In don't talk, I'm saying 9 people in the fight for, and they, not just only the southeast, but people of the south entirely. Because we see the disparities. If now your first time of seeing View Africa 24, I beg put your comment here. Tell us what you think. Don't forget to share this video. Make it reach other people so that make everybody there alert. Say this case, very important, one of the important cases in Nigeria, don't finally kickstart. Don't forget to follow us this page. If not for YouTube, before see this video, I beg, click on the subscribe. And if not for Facebook, follow our page. See you again for our next update. Ciao.